Never repurpose your content for marketing? Today, you'll learn how one big brand company increased organic traffic by 340% and turned one blog post into 89,000 email subscribers. Another one got 2.3 million views with one single newsletter. We'll cover where the initial message came from. Lastly, we'll uncover what this one company does with every piece of content. In this video, I'll break down exactly how they did it so you can too. We're talking strategic repurposing to multiply your visibility without multiplying your workload. 3 strategies that crack the code. Making one piece of content work harder than most people's entire monthly calendar. Here are 3 strategies that have cracked the code on making one piece of content work harder than most people's entire content calendars. Strategy number 1, the Netflix documentary method. Confused? You're not alone. Buffett didn't work for Netflix, but they borrowed the playbook to turn one report into a binge-worthy content series. Buffett took their annual transparency report, a 147-page document, and turned it into 6 months of content, 12 blog posts, 47 social media posts, 3 podcast episodes, 2 webinars, and a video series. Result, 340% increase in organic traffic and 89,000 new email subscribers from one original piece. According to their CEO, Buffett's CEO, the biggest content marketing mistake is treating each piece of content like it has only one life to live. The insider secret, Buffett team creates what they call content derivatives. They don't just chop up content, they reimagine the same data for different audience sophistication levels. The same insight becomes a beginner Twitter thread, an intermediate LinkedIn article, and an advanced YouTube tutorial. Strategy number 2, the podcast to everything, the Joe Rogan slice and scale system. Everyone says start with the written content, then adapt. Wrong. Start with long form, video or audio, then extract everything else. Joe Rogan's team turns each 3-hour podcast into 15 pieces. Highlight clips for TikTok, quote cards for Instagram, audiograms for LinkedIn and Twitter threads. One conversation becomes weeks of content. Strategy number 3, the most overlooked gold mine, email marketing. This is simple, but nobody does it. ConvertKit forward their best forwarding emails to their social media team untouched. No marketing, no editing, no adapting for platforms. Just screenshot the email and post it. Their most viral LinkedIn post got 2.3 million views. Was literally a screenshot of a Tuesday newsletter. Why? Because if it worked in the email, it would pass their valuable enough read test. Now, which one of these repurposing strategies are you already using? And I'm curious, which one will you try next? Bonus inside secret. Smart companies track which repurposed content performs better than the original. Then reverse engineer why. Often the repurposed version becomes their new template for creating fresh content. While everyone is obsessing over creating more content, while companies like Gary Vee and ConvertKit are laughing all the way to the bank by squeezing 30 plus pieces of content from a single source. They figure out that repurposing isn't about being lazy, it's about being strategic. Now that you know how to repurpose your content for marketing using smart strategies, let's take it to the next level. What if you could bulk create your posts, your emails, your videos without starting from scratch every time? Which one of these repurposing systems do you already use, or which one is blowing your mind? In the next video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that using Canva ready templates. We're going to do a step-by-step video process. You'll get a step-by-step walkthrough how to turn one idea into a calendar's worth of content. Fast, efficient, and beginner-friendly. Ready to create like a machine and post like a pro? Let's get started. Watch the next video.